Do you want to improve the quality of your life? Have you ever considered adopting some simple habits from other cultures? Picture this, a culture rich in practices that promote efficiency, well-being, and harmony in daily life. This isn't a utopia, it's Japan. And today we're exploring 8 simple Japanese habits that you can incorporate into your routine to potentially enhance its quality. We'll delve into practices like Oosouji, the big cleaning tradition, the KonMari method of tidying, and Ikigai, the concept of finding your purpose. We'll also touch on mindful eating, the therapeutic effects of Shinrin yoku or forest bathing, the 5S methodology for productivity, traditional tea rituals, and the commonplace practice of walking and biking. Each of these habits offers a unique perspective on how to lead a more balanced, fulfilling life. So, are you ready to explore these 8 simple Japanese habits that could potentially make your life so much better? First, we have Oosouji, or big cleaning. A time-honored tradition in Japan, Oosouji is essentially a thorough cleaning of one's home that is typically carried out at the end of the year. This practice signifies the sweeping away of the old and the welcoming of the new, paving the way for a fresh start. But you don't have to wait for the end of the year to get started. Incorporating Oosouji into your routine can be as simple as setting aside a day each month for a deep clean. The act of decluttering and meticulously cleaning your space does more than just leave you with a spotless home. It's believed to clear the mind as well, fostering a sense of calm and order. So, roll up your sleeves and give Oosouji a try. You might just find that this Japanese habit brings about an unexpected clarity. Remember, a clean space is a clear mind. Next up, the KonMari Method. This ingenious method comes from Marie Kondo, a Japanese organizing consultant who has changed the way many people think about their belongings. Her philosophy is simple yet profound. Keep only the things that spark joy. This doesn't mean we become minimalists, but rather, we learn to value and appreciate the items that truly enrich our lives. By practicing this habit, you're not just tidying up your home, but also creating a peaceful living environment. Imagine coming home to a place where every item has its place and purpose, where there's no clutter to stress you out, and where each object you see brings you joy. It's about cultivating a mindful relationship with your surroundings. The KonMari method encourages us to reflect on our belongings and decide what truly matters. It's a practice that goes beyond cleanliness, touching upon mindfulness and gratitude. So hold on to the things that spark joy, and let go of the rest. Let's move on to another enlightening concept. Ikigai. Ikigai, a uniquely Japanese philosophy, is the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. It's the sweet spot that gives your life purpose and happiness. Imagine waking up each morning excited to start your day because you're doing something that truly aligns with your values and passions. That's the power of finding your Ikigai. It's not just about a career or a hobby, it's about finding joy and fulfillment in every aspect of your life. So how do you find your Ikigai? Start by asking yourself these 4 questions. What do you love? What are you good at? What can you be paid for? And what does the world need? The answers might not come immediately, but keep asking, keep exploring. Remember, it's a journey of self-discovery. Find your Ikigai, find your joy. Now let's talk about a habit that is all about mindful eating. The Japanese have a practice called Hara, which translates to eat until you're 80% full. This concept, hailing from the Okinawan region, promotes mindful eating and is closely associated with the region's remarkable longevity. The principle of Hara encourages us to pay close attention to our hunger and fullness cues, rather than eating mindlessly until we are stuffed. This practice can help control portion sizes, prevent overeating, and lead to better digestion. By eating slower and savoring each bite, we give our bodies the time to recognize when we've had enough. This not only enhances the enjoyment of our meals, but also allows our digestive system to function more efficiently. Incorporating Hara into your daily routine may take some time and patience, but the benefits can be significant. You might find yourself feeling lighter, more energetic, and overall healthier. Eat till you're 80% full and let your body thank you for it. Our next habit is Shinrin yoku, or forest bathing. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, we often forget to pause and connect with the natural world around us. But there's a Japanese practice that encourages just that. Shinrin yoku, literally translating to forest bathing, is a practice that involves immersing oneself in a forest setting and absorbing its atmosphere. This isn't about vigorous hiking or intense outdoor activities. Instead, it's about taking a leisurely stroll, tuning into the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, the scent of the earth. It's about being present and allowing nature to soothe your senses. Research suggests that forest bathing can have therapeutic effects on both the body and mind. It's been associated with reduced stress levels, improved mood, and even enhanced immune function. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, why not give forest bathing a try? Let the forest embrace you and breathe in the tranquility it offers. So take a leisurely walk in the forest, breathe in the atmosphere, and let nature do its magic. Moving on, we have the 5S methodology. Born out of Japanese industry, this system is a powerhouse for increasing efficiency and reducing waste. It's a simple yet effective way to optimize your productivity whether at work or at home. The name 5S comes from the first letters of 5 Japanese words: seiri, seitan, seiso, seiketsu, and shitsuke. Translated to English, we know them as sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. The first step, sort, encourages us to declutter our workspace and keep only what is essential. Set in order takes this a step further by arranging these tools and materials in a way that streamlines our workflow. Shine is all about maintaining cleanliness, while standardize is about consistency in how tasks are accomplished. Finally, sustain is the commitment to maintain these practices as a routine. So remember, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, and watch your productivity soar. Next, let's delve into the traditional Japanese tea rituals. Known as seido or chado, the way of tea is more than just brewing and drinking tea. It's a meditative practice that requires your full attention and respect for the process. The ceremony is a dance of grace and precision, where every movement has purpose and meaning. The tea ceremony starts with a cleansing of the utensils, followed by the preparation and serving of the tea. The host and guests engage in a silent dialogue, communicating through their actions rather than words. The host focuses on making the perfect cup of tea, while the guests express their gratitude and admiration for the host's efforts. This ritual is a lesson in mindfulness, teaching us to be present in the moment and appreciate the beauty in simplicity. It's also a celebration of respect for the tea, the tools, the host, and the guests. So make a cup of tea, and let the ritual calm your mind. Finally, a simple and healthy habit: walking and biking. In Japan, the act of walking and biking isn't reserved for fitness enthusiasts or the occasional leisure activity. It's an integral part of daily life. Many people, regardless of age or profession, choose to walk or bike for their commute and to run errands. This consistent, low-impact exercise is not only great for maintaining good health, but it also reduces the reliance on cars, contributing to a more sustainable environment. Plus, it's a fantastic way to explore your surroundings and appreciate the beauty in everyday life. The benefits are manifold, from improved cardiovascular health and better mood to increased longevity. So how about incorporating more walking and cycling into your routine? Even if you start small, maybe by choosing to walk to the local store instead of driving, you're making a positive change. Walk more, bike more, and feel the difference in your health and well-being. And there you have it, 8 simple Japanese habits you can adopt. We've explored the Oosouji tradition of deep cleaning to declutter our spaces and minds. We've learned about the KonMari Method, a joyful approach to organization. We've delved into the concept of Ikigai, the purpose that drives our lives. We've embraced mindful eating with Hara and the peaceful practice of Shinrin yoku or forest bathing. We've discovered the efficiency of the 5S methodology and the meditative ritual of seido, the way of tea. And finally, we've seen how walking and biking can contribute to a healthier, more environmentally friendly lifestyle. Each of these habits has the potential to enrich your daily routine, bringing a touch of harmony, efficiency, and well-being into your life. So why not give them a try? Start small, embrace these habits, and see how they transform your life for the better.